Hello, this is Bill Zimmerman, and this video will be a demonstration on how our online application 1ClickLead works. What 1ClickLead does is it uses Facebook Connect technology to allow people to easily opt into your list with the click of a button. This can replace or supplement your traditional opt-in form, in which the visitor has to enter their name and email. With 1ClickLead, they can opt into your list with just a click, and this will help you to really skyrocket your opt-in rates and your list size. Here we are at the main screen at 1ClickLead.com. I have already logged in, and this is the main screen you will see. Here is where you can create your 1ClickLead button. Everything is done online on 1ClickLead.com, so there is nothing to install at all. This is not a download or a plugin. You get access to our software on 1ClickLead.com and use it right from there. If I click on My Facebook Buttons, this is a dashboard of all of the buttons you have previously created. Okay, so let's get started and create a button. First, you name the campaign. Next, you create the button. You have two choices here. The first choice is to use the built-in button creator, which will give you a Facebook Connect type of button. Except here, you can add in whatever text you want to appear in the button. Your second choice is to enter the URL of any image that you want to use as a button. So if you want to use something specific and special to use as the button, just upload it and enter the URL here. Okay, we're going to use the built-in Facebook button. I'm going to enter my text right here. Then just choose the size of the button. Next is the redirect page URL. This is the URL the visitor will go to after they click on the 1ClickLead button and opt into your list. Here I'm going to paste the URL of a very simple demo thank you page that I made, but you can use whatever URL you want. The exit page URL is the URL the visitor will go to after they click on the 1ClickLead button but decide not to opt in. Here I'm going to use a simple blog post with a regular opt-in form. Again, you can use whatever you want here. You will see how all this works in just a minute. Next is the Facebook application settings. Here you add the Facebook application ID and secret key. You get these from Facebook. These take about 1 minute to make, and I have a video in our help section on how to do it if you need help with that. Now you choose your autoresponder. Aweber and MailChimp are the standard, but you can also use any other autoresponder as long as you can grab the HTML form code from it. I'm going to choose Aweber and enter our list name. Here you can also collect additional information from Facebook users besides their name and their email address. You can collect things like their birthday, their current location, and a few others as well. Okay, and now you just have to click Get Code. Now here you will get two things. The first is the HTML code, and this you can paste wherever you want to show the button. If it takes HTML, then you can use 1ClickLead on it. So you can add to already existing squeeze pages, web forms, blog posts, sidebars of your blog. Anywhere you want to collect leads, you can add the 1ClickLead button. And the next thing you get is a link. Now this you can use by simply using it as a hyperlink to any text or image that you want. For example, you can use this to actually hyperlink text within a blog post or a web page or within an email. So when the user clicks on the link, they can opt into your list. Okay, so I'm going to grab the code and put it on the bottom of a blog post just so you can see how easy it is. Okay, here is a standard blog post. Right now I'm in the visual editor. All you have to do is switch over to the HTML editor and then copy the code wherever you want to add the button. I'll go ahead and add it to the bottom of the blog post. Now I'm going to publish the post. Let's take a look at how it will show. Here is the blog post. Just scroll down to the bottom and there is your one-click lead button. Now I'm just going to click on it so you can see how it works. Once you click on it, a little window comes up from Facebook. Okay, let's talk about this little window. First, this is your application name. You can name it whatever you want when you create the application in Facebook. Here is an icon that you can add, and you can use a brand image or your picture or any image that you want here. Again, this you can set when you create the application in Facebook. Here it is telling me what the application is going to get, which in this example is the email address. And here I'm presented with the option to log in or cancel. If I click Login, I will be taken to the redirect URL that was set in the one-click lead options. If I click Cancel, I will be taken to the exit page URL that was set in the one-click lead options. Now I'm going to click on Login. Once I do that, I will be subscribed to the list and then redirected to the URL that I set in the one-click lead settings. This redirect URL is just a sample thank you page that I made where you can just grab the free gift that was promised for opting in. As you can see, there are a lot of possibilities for this application to really build your list. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using one-click lead to help build your business.